Now, the reality is in a new build, there's hardly any maintenance to be done, particularly not the first 10 years. In fact, if something were to break, well, most things are covered by the builder's warranty insurance. So, we offer a 10-year warranty on the actual property. Obviously, if something breaks, a washing machine breaks, a fridge breaks, it does happen. The hundreds of fridges that we have operating in the rooming houses we manage, obviously, some break. And then basically means that most of that is covered under warranty. Sometimes particularly with furniture, we find sometimes it's just abuse, right? But you need to remember that in that case, the cost is not yours. The cost is the tenant's. And if the tenant doesn't pay it, well, that's why we have bonds and insurance and other elements. And then, of course, by the time the property has been in operation for maybe 20, 25 years, then maintenance starts to become not really super significant, but it starts to occur because obviously things start to degrade sort of over time.